In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an image inside a shape in Canva. This is a great technique for creating polished social media posts, thumbnails, and presentations, and it's actually very simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Canva in your browser and either create a new design or open an existing one. You can choose any size you like, such as an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom size. Once your blank canvas is open, we're going to start by adding the shape that will hold your image. On the left-hand side, click on the Elements tab. This is where all your shapes, graphics, and frames are stored. You'll see a section for basic shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. Go ahead and click on the shape you want to use. It will automatically appear on your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners and reposition it by clicking and dragging it around. Take a moment to place it roughly where you want your final image to appear. Now we're ready to bring in the image. On the left, click on the Uploads tab if you want to use your own photo, or click on Photos if you'd like to use one from Canva's library. Choose the image you want and make sure it's fully uploaded if it's from your computer. Here's the key step. Instead of just clicking the image, click and drag the image over the shape on your canvas. As you hover the image over the shape, you'll see it snap into place and automatically crop inside the shape. Release your mouse, and the image will now live inside that shape. You can adjust how the image fits by double-clicking on it. This opens the cropping view inside the shape. From here, drag the image around to reposition the important part, and use the corners to zoom in or out. When you're happy with the placement, click Done, or simply click outside the shape. You can still resize or move the entire shape with the image inside it, just like any other element. You can also duplicate it to create a consistent layout, or add text and other graphics around it. Once everything looks good, download your design in your preferred format, and you're done. That's how you place an image inside a shape in Canva.